Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to reinstall TikTok. Firstly, you should delete TikTok from your device and then again go to App Store and install it. So to delete TikTok from your device, you should press and hold it like this, and here at the top you see remove app, and confirm your decision by tapping delete application. But I will not do it because I don't want to delete my TikTok. And then when you delete your TikTok, go to App Store, go to search, and here in the searching field search for TikTok, and again download it, so that means reinstall. I have open button because I have TikTok on my device already, but if you delete it you will have download and sign, and basically download your TikTok. So that's how you can reinstall TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.